Good afternoon, students. Up to last class, we have discussed about all the properties of matter like color, appearance, hardness, solubility, and density of the matter. Why the material sink in the water? Why the material float on the surface of the water? Now today we will discuss transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. So let's start. Students, you have played the hide and seek game in which you hide behind the sofa, behind the below the bed, but you never hide behind the glass. Why? Because behind the glass you can be easily captured, you can be easily seen. So we use to hide behind the wall, behind the wall, or behind any opaque object which can hide us. And you have seen that there is the in bakery, in sweets shop, they use a counter which is made up of glass, and they decorate various food items, various bakery items behind the glass, so that you can easily see all the sweets in the sweet shop, all the material, all kind of the chocolates in the provision shop, or the various kind of the bakery items, sweet biscuits, cake, you can see easily. But they don't use the glass to make their a box in which they put their money. Why? Because if if they made by the glass, you can see easily how much money he has. So the shopkeeper used this one by the made up of wood or any metallic object. Now look, materials can be classified on the basis of transparency into three categories. Number one, transparent material. Second, translucent materials. And third one, opaque materials. Third one are the opaque materials. Transparent, translucent, and opaque materials. Transparent materials, the substances through which we can see object placed on the other side clearly, is called transparent object. The object through which we can see object placed on the other side. So such kind of the objects are known as transparent objects or transparent materials. Like a book, if I have taken a glass and I use to see the book through the glass, I can see easily. So the glass is transparent material. So I can say glass is transparent material. So transparent material allows light to pass through them completely. the transparent material, transparent substances allow light to pass through them completely. When we use torch and a glass, the light can pass completely through the glass. So, what are the examples of the transparent material? Number one, glass, and second one is the cellophane. Cellophane membrane. Cellophane, where we use to cover our books. To cover our books, we use cellophane membrane. Now, second one, translucent material. The substances through which we can see partially. The substances through which we can see partially is called translucent material. Like the book. We have taken a book and we have an object. Now, when we see the book through this material, you are looking here, we can't see it completely clearly. We can see the book, there is something, but we can't see clearly. So, those substances which allow light to pass through them partially, the translucent material allow light to pass through them partially are called translucent material. When we take a torch and the translucent material, light can't pass completely. Example, frosted glass window. On the window we use which kind of the glasses? Frosted glasses. These are some colored material. Color, we fill some color on the glass. Second one, nowadays you are looking over here. This is the fashion that we wear thin fabrics, translucent fabrics, opaque material, the substances through which we cannot see at all. The substances through which we cannot see at all. Such kind of material are known as opaque material, and this property is known as opacity. We can't see anything. So we want to see across through the opaque object, the book, we can't see anything. The substances which do not allow light to pass through them, the substances which do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque objects, opaque material. Opaque material. Now, examples. Examples of opaque material. Number one, wood, log of wood. Second one, metal. And third one, plastic. Log of wood, metal and plastic. These are the opaque objects. Now, important points. All solids are generally opaque. For example, stone, metal. But some solids such as glass and plastics plastics are transparent objects. Got it? So, metal and stones are opaque object, but glass and plastics are the transparent object. Most liquids are transparent. Most liquids are transparent in their pure form. Water, transparent. Alcohol, transparent. But milk is white in color. It is opaque. We can't see anything behind the milk. Right? So, the water and alcohol are transparent, but milk is translucent. All the gases, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, all the gases, chlorine, nitrogen, these are all gases are transparent in nature. Whatever their color, like the chlorine is pale yellow in color, पीला पीला सा कलर होता है, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड ब्राउन इन कलर, but it is transparent. Got it? In this way we have seen transparent, translucent and opaque objects. You should collect and write examples of the transparent objects, translucent object and opaque objects. Think and write in your notebook.